Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today I have to review the smart vacuum cleaner, and it's the Liectroux C30B, and it's with map navigation through app control, and I can't wait to get it out. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to Geekbuying for kindly gifting me this vacuum cleaner to review. Here on the side we can see some specs, but I'm definitely going to put more down in the description. So the diameter, height, net height, voltage, battery, mop size, dustbin capacity, charge type auto and manual, cleaning mode auto cleaning, working time 100 minutes. It's time to get it out. So here is the first look. There we have it. Was super secured. That's really good. We have the charger here. We have the awesome robot. We need to take this film off. We need to take this out from the side. I think these were just to protect it in the box. So we can see the wheels here, which are super high, so that's a good thing, because it's going to probably help us with the rugs. We don't have super high rugs, so hopefully it will manage. Here we have a tiny spinning wheel. Probably this is the wheel that's going to guide our robot. This is how we are going to clean it. We have the filter. We have instructions here, which are always very important, so we have them in different languages. Definitely have to read about it. We have here a cleaning brush. We have 4 side brushes here. We have a spare filter, the mop with the water tank. Here's where we fill it. We also have this to exchange. The remote control. Let's see if it has batteries. So we need 2 AAA batteries. I added batteries and this is what it shows now. So this is the charging station for the robot. Remove it before use, so we do need to remove these. Ooh, shiny. So we need to install the app first. It's called AI Smart. So because we need a power source, probably I'm going to put the robot in this corner.
Welcome to use robot vacuum cleaner. Low power, please charge. Back to charge.
So these 2 are going to charge the robot, so probably those need to be here.
Start charging.
Setting up the time.
Clock setting completed.
It's time to add the device in the app. So I already installed the app. I made an account. You need to make an account first. Then you need to turn on the connection. Here you press twice.
Connecting network.
And you will see this flashing. So I didn't have that flashing at first. Now we need to add the new device. Small home appliances. And this is where the tricky part was for me, because I had too many to choose from. You have this one and plus this 3 up here. I already selected the Wi-Fi one, and it didn't work at first. I don't know why. Maybe my internet connection is too low. but you need to press on this one. So you need to add in your network plus the password, confirm the indicator is blinking, and I went to the app mode and it didn't work, so I'm going to easy mode, and now it's going to search.
Wi-Fi connected.
So now it is connected. Done.
Back to charge.
I actually don't know why it went back to charging, because it has 99% battery. Probably that's where it's going to start. Okay, so I really want to see what it's going to do when we press
Auto
start.
cleaning.
We do have some directions here. Let's see if we are going to try what happens. Right. Go right. Oh, cool. Oh, it's also going backwards. That's cool. So when you press pause, probably it's going to continue alone. I'm not sure. Let's see. Nope. Okay, so we need to press cleaning strength. We have different energy saving. Quiet mode. Okay, play.
Auto cleaning.
Okay, so it's actually going super well from the floor to the carpet. I absolutely love it. Let's switch to turbo mode and see how it's going to work now.
Turbo mode.
Whoa, super powerful. Okay, so I want to add the side brushes. Let's see how to add them. Oh wow, look at so much hair already, and it just started working actually. Okay, so we only need to clip this here. Make sure you are using the correct side brushes. This is for left. Let's press pot cleaning and see. Oh, that's awesome. It's making like a snail shape. If you don't find it in the house, you can press this and it's going to make that sound, letting you know where it is. I'm really curious how the robot is going to manage with everything that's around the house. Plus we have a dog, plus we have a child which leaves the toys around sometimes. So the robot is actually searching for different spots, and when we press show map, we can see where is the robot and what he found. Here we can see the area that it discovered and how much this is going to take while it's going to clean this whole area. Edge cleaning, so that's what we need. That's when we need to add the side brushes. Room cleaning. on the app we can see also the battery percentage, so that's going to be really helpful, but it actually goes alone to charge, so that's super good. I'm not sure if he knows where the station is, so let's see.
Back to charge.
He is actually searching for the charging station. Let's see if it knows where to go. So smart.
Start charging.
Room cleaning.
Room cleaning. Auto cleaning. Schedule cleaning settings. Water tank removed. Room cleaning. Edge cleaning.
Smart. Oh my gosh, let's see if he can get out of this one. This is definitely a tough one. Almost. Great job. Hey, don't go back. Switching to the water tank, even though I don't have water in it, but this is going to be perfect for rooms, especially where we don't have rugs. Look at all this dog hair and our hair. It gathered, so you have this, you can cut and then you can clean it. So you just swipe it like that and it's cutting all the hair, so it's easy to remove. Just look at all this hair. So it's time to open the dustbin and see how much dust did we gather from a few parts of the house. You need to clip it like that. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, it's full. No way, that's crazy. And we actually vacuumed before this video. Look at that. So this was pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. I absolutely love my new Liectroux vacuum cleaner. It's really small and it's not occupying so much space in the house. I really love that it's actually helping me around the house, and it's saving so much time for me because I do have a lot of things to do in a full day, also reviews and everything around the house. It's so time consuming and this is going to be so helpful for me. So I really want to say again a huge thank you to Geekbuying for kindly gifting this to me. If you want to purchase yours, I'm going to put the link down in the description. I also have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you are using that at checkout. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys!